Today, we will introduce mesh lining fabric to you. The mesh fabrics used in sports apparel prioritize breathability, elasticity, and quick-drying properties. Common materials include polyester or nylon blended with spandex, combined with techniques like 3D spacer mesh or flight net weaving to enhance comfort and moisture-wicking performance during high-intensity activities like running and fitness training. For bag linings, mesh fabrics emphasize durability, tear resistance, and lightweight qualities. High-density polyester or nylon mesh is widely used, with some products incorporating 3D spacer mesh for better cushioning or PU coatings for water and stain resistance. These fabrics are ideal for backpacks, luggage, and other bags, balancing functionality and longevity.
Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and the production process.